Hello and welcome to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This is an introduction to JavaScript course. Here you'll see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this JavaScript course. The prerequisites for this course are the following: Sublime Text Editor and a web browser. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Section 6, Dates and Times. Lesson 6.2, JavaScript Customized Dates. Once you have a date object, you have quite a lot of inbuilt properties available to you. These allow you to get just the parts of the date and time that you require. Let's have a look at them. Get the year. You can also use getUTC-year. There is a slight difference between the two. Full year gets the local year and the one we all get globally. But if it's 31st December and heading towards January 1 of the next year, then the local year could be wrong. UTC full gets the universal year. In other words, it corrects for the end of year problem. It's up to you which one you want to use. Get the month. To get the month of the year, use getMonth. However, this will only get you a number from 0 to 11. 0 is January and 11 is December. If you want to turn it into an actual month, you'll need your own function. In the code below, we've set up an array to hold all the month names. Get the day of the month. To get the day of the month, rather oddly, you need getDate. This doesn't get you today's date, but a number from 1 to 31, which is the day of the month. Get the weekday. To get the day of the week, you use getDay. A number from 0 to 6 will be returned, with 0 being Sunday and 6 being Saturday. Get the hours, minutes, and the seconds. To get the various parts of the time, we can use getHours, getMinutes, and getSeconds. We can then join them together through concatenation. If you want ordinals at the end of your month day, then you will have to write your own function. An ordinal is the ST, ND, RD, or the TH at the end of the number, like first, second, third, fourth, and so on and so forth. The function returns the ordinal for a month day. For a complete list of codes and classwork in this lesson, please check Google Classroom. Thank you.